Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Filmora for your video editing. So Filmora is one of the best video editors that I have used in the past few years in making videos for the school. So today I'm going to show you the simple ways on how to create a video presentation using Filmora or the Wondershare Filmora. So open first Filmora, then click on the new project, then add media. So as you can see here, you can drop or click the plus sign to add videos. So for example, we click the plus sign, then we locate the videos that we're going to add. So for example here, for videos from school, there, then select all that videos, click open, then the videos are added. You can also drag videos. For example, we want to add these videos, drag them to Filmora and drop. So there, it's already added. Now we are ready to add videos to our presentation. So first we add this, click or select one video, hold and drag to the timeline, then click OK. There. Then here you can add more videos by simply clicking another. For example here, this one, we are going to add this here. There. Then you can detach the audio of these videos. For example, right click here, then detach audio, so that you can separate the video from the audio. So on this video we need only the video and we don't need the audio, so we delete the audio. In here we need the audio, but some of the videos will be deleted. So right click again, select the video, right click, then detach audio, then click on the audio and move it here to the left. And if you want to cut the video, for example, you need only up to here on this side, then you use this cursor or the timeline line. I don't know what would you call this, I forgot. Then select the video, then click cut. So the video is already cut to that portion only. Okay, then you want to cut also the audio. For example, we need only here up to here, so we cut again, then delete the next or the other audio. So now we are ready to add more. For example, we want to add pictures, so you click on the source first, go to your source. For example, graduation pictures, graduation, then we add this, click, hold and drag, then drop it here, then click the pictures there, some more pictures here, and this one there. Then now we are ready to add more features. For example, we add transitions. So on the top here at the menu, we can find media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen. So first we add transitions. So by clicking transition, it will show at this window the types of transitions or different kinds of transition. For example, if we use this one here and we play there, so it has transition. Because if it is only a raw video, then it won't have any transition at all, it will just gonna play. So for example, here we add another transition in the middle. Then for the pictures, you can browse or navigate this by simply clicking this bar, horizontal bar at the bottom, Then we choose another, for example this one, and this one, and this one. So now our transitions are complete. Okay, then next is you can add effects. For example, if you want this video here to be like blur or chromatic aberration, so click there. So if you play it, there it's look like the chromatic aberration. If here also, like for example on this part, let's see if it will work. Below there, so it looks like an old picture. Okay, it's not colored anymore. Then there are several effects actually that you can find, so it's up to you what kind of effect that you want. Then we have also elements. Elements are actually not available because you need to be connected to the internet in order for you to use this. If you can see the arrow on this particular site, this one means that you need to download first the elements. Okay, then split screens. Split screens are actually useful if you want to play one or more videos at the same time. For example, here if we choose this split screen format, then we choose a video, for example this one, we drag it here, there, and this one we drag it here, there. So we have two videos playing at the same time in one screen only. You can extend the duration by simply moving it to the right. If you want to lessen the duration, then you can move it to the left. So as you can see, the duration is already changed. Okay, and you can add also titles and subtitles. For example, here you can click titles there, so you can choose a title you want. So let's try this one, the one without the arrow down, this one. For example, we put it here, then double click. You can change this one into graduation, for example. Here 2020 2021. Click OK, and let's try to play it. There, graduation 2021. You can add animations also with this by simply adding transition, effects. Okay, that. You can change color also, or there. Okay, then let's find transition. It's not. So titles just like that are simple, but you can use other titles which has better animation. For example, let's find one which is free. Openers. maybe this one. There. So you can add your texts. Say delete this one and add this here, and double click, add your title, graduation, then here the year 2021. Okay, you can choose style or more. Yeah, this one should be. Just double click here, then click OK. Then let's try to play it. 2021. Yeah. So you can move your video here. Here. Okay. Check again. There. Okay. Now, lastly, we're going to add audio. For example, you don't know, we don't have an audio for yet. There. So you can copy an audio from a file or a video, or you can insert an audio. So by simply looking for an audio, MP3 will do. But for me, I use some free videos with free audios from YouTube. So click on the instructional videos, for example. So for instance, we go to the free videos, free background music, free background videos. We have also a lot from YouTube, and free background audio. For example, we use this one. So drag and drop it to the media area, then drag it here. As you can see, there is the video and there is the audio. They are still grouped. Now we will detach the audio and video. So just click on, right click first the video, then right click, detach audio, then we delete the video, then we have the audio. So what we need only is the audio, so we delete the video. Then since our video is up to here only, click here, then click cut and delete the video. So after this, now we are ready to export the file. At first, we need to add some transition on this. For example, this one here and this one here. Okay, then export. So video tutorial, Filmora video tutorial. So the settings, resolution, we just change the resolution into a bigger one. For example, this one. Okay, 30, etc. Okay, click OK. Then export. So it will be exported to the desktop. Then export. So let's wait until it is finished. So it's already 15%. The duration of the rendering or exporting the video depends on how much videos and pictures you added to the video presentation that you have created. So the amount of video that is added means more videos means more time of exporting or rendering the video. So we are now on the 82% of the video rendering or exporting, and we are near to finish. There, it's 100%. So let's close this and let us open the video at the desktop. So where is it? Filmora video tutorial. So double click and we have the video presentation. So you can change the resolution actually into a bigger one later if you want more, because this one is very small. Okay, thank you for watching.